the plant. Okay, so we'll be building a biodome with this puppy. Please don't say I'm a spoiled brat. Please. Okay, so we got some rocks here. What are these? Oh yeah, jewels. We got some of these. She had these. My grandma right there. She's setting up the waterfall, which is a fish filter. Got these. We're gonna hang it with some. What's it called? Fishing line. Yeah. And I got some of these stickers. They have two of the animals I have to do. I got some rocks, moss, a pack of reptiles, and a bunch of plants here. Like, a lot of plants. And we bought most of this stuff from the dollar store. So yeah, we bought this in a bucket at Meijer. That was $13. So yeah. And the bucket was $9. So I know how to set them up.
But don't break it.
I will not. And we will be reusing this stuff, by the way. Where's that spongy thingy?
Why is there two? So you don't know.
If one breaks?
You just guess.
Okay, we don't know how to set one of these up. So
that's what the instructions are for.
I mean, maybe you hang it up like this.
It definitely hangs up like that, but alright.
Got the fish filter here.
Repositioning, cleaning, removing into plants.
I'm gonna start decorating everything. Well, she does this
Try
stuff.
to find English.
Yeah, she's gonna try to find English on the thing. I'm gonna go on the ground because the table's kind of crowded and do it all. So yeah. Huh?
Take the camera down with you.
Will be. Ow, ow. Okay, so I'm gonna probably line this with the moss and the rocks that we got. So yeah, we have red lighting. So yeah, sorry about that. So I gotta fade the moss here and some rocks.
Less mess, please. Put the rocks on the cover. That stuff on. No. On the cover of that.
Oh, okay.
Because you just left a bunch of rocks in the breeze.
So, well, this is terrible lighting.
Oh.
Wow, that's better.
You can turn on the TV room light too if you want.
That's fine. You called that the TV room? I thought it was the toy room.
That too.
Okay, but first, I'm gonna line it with some moss.
There should be a diet. Oh yeah, hold this.
So I'm punching away. Nice big clump. And we're not just doing this for fun, it's for school. So, yeah. Rip this stuff up. Take this. This is kind of sticky. You know what? We have that done. on. I'm gonna put the stuff in there. I'm probably gonna have it in like the back over here. And then I'm gonna take my rocks here. Actually, I'm gonna wait to put the rocks in until
Put them on the box lid or something.
I know where we're gonna put the filter. So
Yes, where are we going to put?
I was hoping like right here.
Because this will be the front.
Yeah.
Well, but it fits pretty much perfect. With the cord on that side, though. Run it. That.
So we have it in right there.
Okay, but it's wiggly. Maybe one of these to go. Okay.
And we have to get the bucket to put it in. And then I'll probably hot glue the bucket with some rocks on it. So yeah.
What kind of bucket? Like what size are you thinking, or?
What do you think?
I think it's gotta be like long and narrow. Almost like a bowl, like a long flat bowl of some sort.
Is there a plug in? Because I'm going to start gluing the trees in.
Well, find their place before you start gluing trees in.
So I'm going to grab the 4 trees that I'm going to use. 1, 2, 3. Got them here.
Okay, which size bowl?
Glass?
That's what I got. I don't have a. Oh wait. How deep do you want it to be?
I don't know.
How about this? Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
How about this?
Yeah, that would work. Are you going to use this bag?
I don't have to have it back, no.
We could put it on like this side. Let's take this off first. There. And then we can fill this in.
We can kind of.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Nah, I think it'd be better like this so when people see it from there. And yeah, you are going to want to fill it in. I do have some more of that in a plant I have outside.
What if I put a plant like in the middle or like right in the
Yes. Well, we want to kind of put it around this a little bit too to kind of cover this up.
Yeah.
So we can put some here and here.
I'm gonna put one right here, probably. By the water. Oh, this looks like it would be by water.
And take the tags off of them.
Oh, yeah, that would be smart. Well, these are cheap.
Well, yeah, we want them from the dollar store. What do you want? Well, or maybe we could put these bigger ones by that.
The water.
What do you think?
No matter what, I'm putting one in the corner.
Yeah.
Right there. I'm putting one right here. Or back here, right here. Yeah, let's put one like right here. Oh my gosh.
Hmm.
Oh, we could have this like in the water.
You could do that.
So I got the stem ripped off. So we're going to put this in the water right here.
Because we're definitely going to want to get that thing covered up pretty good.
I could also hot glue it rocks, but when I put it in the turtle tank, the turtles might mistake it for food. And we don't want that.
Mistake what for food?
The rocks.
Oh, they're pretty smart. They
No,
would
they're
figure it
not.
out.
No, they're not.
Well, I mean, like survival mode. They get it.
My turtles aren't smart at all.
Wow.
So I'm gonna take this and cut a thing off here. So I got one off.
Now, most of those are made with wires, so they are going to be bendy. So don't cut, well, you do have an extra one, but don't cut them all off.
I'm gonna cut them all off on this one.
Now, with that section, because I'm kind of thinking more of that moss should go around your waterfall area because it's taller and it'll hide it a little bit more, you know? And then over there we can put more sand and rocks and that kind of thing.
That would work.
If we couldn't, just to keep it more hidden.
I mean, I feel like that would be like a natural shady spot for the.
Okay, take that out for a second.
I really do like that.
You want to be able to see the water coming out the way.
Yeah, but that would be cool.
You think having it more hanging over? You said these all bend, so you bend them how you like it. And that way, you see the water coming out right there.
There's that one plant that doesn't have a stem.
There's one that didn't have a stem. Oh, because you pulled it off here. Oh, right there.
Alright. I'm gonna put that like four in this, like right here. That would look cool.
It would. Now, do you want this here, or do you not like it there?
I like that here.
Okay, because you can move anything you want. It's your project.
I'm gonna go plug in.
And look at, you could take this off, and this could be a stick or a tree. You could have one of the bugs on it.
We only have one bug.
There's a couple in there.
Oh yeah, we have a lizard.
Yeah. So, I think that's just glued. You could probably pull it out. Just watch your fingers. I think one of these in the water would look cool.
Styrofoam.
It would float,
Yeah.
so that'll make it look cool, like algae.
Yeah. Do we have a green one?
Like that.
I feel like this tip, get this tip, and like glue it down to the bottom.
You want to glue it though? I think you like the idea of gluing things.
I do.
Yeah, I don't think you should glue it to the bottom though, because you aren't gonna be able to see it very well then. Are we gonna color? No, that could float.
Oh, it does?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there.
Do we want to color the water?
Yeah.
What color do you want to do it?
Murky.
Murky. So we just have food coloring.
Yeah.
You know, so it's
Like
gonna be
mix a couple colors.
Should we experiment with it before we
Yeah.
put it in? Okay. So what else? Let's finish
Decorating.
the idea. Yep.
So I want this
So you
tree to
got
go in
these
this
trees.
corner.
Okay.
Or like this tree to go in this corner.
But you don't want too much here either. You got lots of other stuff.
That here. Where's that other one? Oh, right here. Maybe put one in like here.
And now the fern type stuff, you could push it all against the back wall so that it's like, that'll be your whole background. You know what I mean?
This will have multiple parts, by the way. And yeah. This one is decorating. I'll probably name it. bad decision. This is metal.
Well,
I mean,
then else we can we can paint a piece of styrofoam, glue it in, and stick it in there. I kind of like that idea, actually.
I'm probably gonna shorten this a bit.
No, hold on. Look at.
Oh, it's.
So what I was saying is, if you take something like this, see these things? They just sit on these.
Oh wow.
So, oops, sorry. I'm gonna put it like in the background.
But like over, because I have, you can have this tape.
Oh, you could glue them.
Yeah, like this.
Flip it the other way.
This.
Yep, so it's like that. So that would be your whole background. What about if we put that? And then put the green over it.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, this one needs to stop texting you.
So you put a bunch of those up
Yeah.
against the brown. What do you think?
Yeah, I want that.
Okay, now you cut all these off of your other one, so just use those.
Just start off good. I'm gonna shorten this.
So what do you think if you were to glue them all onto here the way you want them,
Yeah.
and then glue this onto the back?
Okay.
So there you go. And we do have little pieces. We have this one too. Okay. I don't know if you want it over there at all.
I'm gonna go start gluing on the counter. I'll use this one.
Let me give you a paper plate to put that on because
Why won't this guy plug in?
it will. It's just firm.
I don't want to break anything.
Put it in the right way.
So I got a baby glue gun.
Okay, get the glue.
And it says it gets to low temp, so slower. And then, by the way, we have miscellaneous stuff in a box. Got my glue stick here. And I think you can buy these at the dollar store.
By what?
These small little glue guns.
Probably. We've had them for a very long time.
Yeah, you old fart.
Hey.
She's cleaning up the dinner that we had. It was a good dinner, by the way. Wait, how do you...
Have you ever used a glue gun before?
Yes.
Okay,
But
that
how
is
do you-
just a rest.
Yeah, I know. But
Okay.
how do you, like... Does it start oozing out?
Pretty much.
Oh.
And you'll kind of push this, and pushing it, it'll make it great. So go ahead, get the rest of them and line them up the way you want. I mean, if you would have picked this one's got a trigger, so it would
Yeah.
have fed it. But that's okay. This one worked just as fine.
That's vintage.
Vintage.
Just like her.
Now you want it bushy and full, like a rainforest looks, right?
Yeah.
Is that enough pieces, or you want
We're
to?
gonna need to cut more.
What about these loose ones? Just be
Oh, yeah.
thrown in there.
We only have 19 minutes left in the video, so
What does that mean?
it has a timer.
Oh, does it? Put them like in between. You know. Whatever you do, never touch that metal end, because that will burn you bad. Okay.
Well, I want to start.
How's that?
It's good now, I think.
Okay. So you're going to be, this is probably close. No.
Oh,
Okay. So,
I'll start with this guy.
okay, go ahead. You're going to put it on here. I had a feeling. How do we stop this?
You don't. You can start it.
I'm not.